Hello Capricorns, welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. This is your October month you wisdom reading, and this will be general reading. It may resonate you or may not. Please take those messages what resonates you and leave the rest. Else, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. And this will be a general reading regarding your love life. I will take your energy and your partner's energy. So Capricorn, your energy is the world. Let's see what more cards for you. Knight of Pentacles. Okay. Five of Pentacles, Queen of Wands. Capricorns. One more card for Capricorns. The Sun. Underneath, you are having the Empress. So here, Capricorn, I'm seeing that you are working on your growth, whether it's your love life or whether it's your work life. Oh, three major arcanas are here, and the world is also here, and the Sun. Five major arcanas are here. So Capricorns, you are dealing with the person maybe who is divine. It's a feminine energy. It can be any gender, but this person has feminine energy within them, which is very much nurtured and spiritually growing, and they have patience. Or maybe it's a divine protection around them, or maybe you are feeling this time like this. You are having this Empress energy, Temperance energy, and High Priestess energy. You are feeling very much feminine energy, divine feminine energy within yourself, whether you are male or female. Like, you are getting nurture towards your person, or maybe people around you, and you are having patience a lot, whatever, no matter whatever going on in your life. You are you are keeping yourself in patience and keeping your energy in a balancing situation, because you are totally dependent on divine this time, or you totally trust divine this time. So here you are becoming divine kind of person. Or maybe if you are working, so you are patiently trying to grow your person, and this time divine also helping you, universe is helping you to grow. So here I'm seeing that you are ready to nurture your person. You are offering your stability to this person. You are ready to make things stable. Stability is coming towards you, but it's very much slow coming stability. That's why you are keeping yourself patience here. You are on a patience. That's why you want to complete a cycle. Maybe you are going through some kind of cycle here, but you want to end this cycle now, or you are waiting for this cycle end very patiently. You are waiting for this cycle to end. But here, because here I'm seeing that there is no stability, you think that no stability is in your life. You want to nurture your relationship, but you are not able, because maybe other person is not ready to give balance in this connection. You are ready, you are very much trying to balance this connection, but maybe other person is not ready. But or maybe you want to make things balance, but this is the time where stability is you are not seeing stability this time. Whether it's financial stability, whether the stability of the connection regarding love. So you want it, but the things are not as working as you want. So you are having being patience. You are having patience, and you want to nurture this connection with your divine feminine energy. Whether you are male or female, you want to nurture this connection. Or if you are going through a lack of finances, so you are maybe trying to start your new business. Here I'm seeing that you are taking initiate to start a business or maybe start a work, but you are lack of finance, you are in a lack of finances where you are not able to do this time, or maybe this is the reason. That's why your person maybe away from you. You are not able to give your person a stable life, whether it's financial stability, whether it's love stability. So this is the reason this person is away from you, maybe. Or if not away, you people are not connected emotionally this time. So you want to end this financial lack situation, or you want to end this instability of your connection. You are you are taking action, and this time you are maturely taking actions. You are doing things maturely to get your happiness back. You want to shine bright like a sun, or you want your fun life back. So maybe you are very much charming, you are very much bright and shine, but this is the time where no stability around you in this connection. So you want to nurture your person, you want to nurture this connection, and you want to end this cycle which is not giving you stability. uh, or maybe this there is a time is going to start in your life where stability will come in your life, but it will be a slow, it will be slow stability. That's why slow coming, that's why you are not seeing it, and you think that there is no stability. You are still lack in finances and lack in love, lack in love life also. So let's see what are your inner person's energy here, what your person is thinking. Okay, Queen of Wands again here. This is your person energy. It's very much feminine energy. You are dealing with the, if you are a man and you are dealing with a lady who is very much nurtured, growing, or maybe this person is having a child of yours. So you want to give this person a stable life, or this person gave you a world, so you want to give them in return. So here, Queen of Wands, maybe you're dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Maybe this person is very much charming and growing person like Empress, and this person has everything what you want in a person, what you want in a marriage person. So here, Emperor, Ace of Wands, one more card. Okay, Queen of Wands. Underneath, Temperance is here again. Underneath, you are having the Lover. Your person is also very much charming and attractive. You both are attracting each other. Your person wants to become in a same page with you. Your person wants to become a same page with you, and is a very much fiery energy. So Capricorns, you are dealing with a fire sign. Maybe it's Aries or it's Leo. It's a fire sign, or this person wants to ignite the passion again. This person wants to ignite the passion again, or this person is getting very much passionate for you, no matter how much the lack of stability going on in this connection. But your person wants this soulmate connection. It's a major arcana, it's a high level of love I'm seeing here, because a lot of major arcanas are here. So your person wants um, stability also, and but you are in a financial lack. So this person is just waiting for you, and this person wants to start again with you. Or if you are in a good relationship with your person, but you are just financial lack is bothering you, but and your person don't worry about this financial lack, and this person wants to restart again this passion, and they want to move forward with you. And if there were a fight between you before, so now this person wants to come out from this fight. This person wants stability again. So this person is on a charge. This person have mature attitude toward this connection, and they are very much passionate. They are high passion for, they are having high passion for this, or maybe they are having charge over this situation. They are putting their ego aside to give you the stability of this connection. So Capricorn, this that was your reading. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below, like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.